What's poppin'? It's your boy O here with the pimple on my head, with my header right there to the side of me. Yo, give me dap. Give me like a pinky. I mean a thumb. Yo, show them how with dap one time. But we out here. Where we about to go?
We are on our way to Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Stop number 1. Once we get to Puerto Rico, should we wait and update them then, or should we?
You can't really give them the full everything all at once. Like when you met me, like I didn't give you all. Like you have to.
Mommy and Daddy are sweating.
You sweating?
Mommy and Daddy, baby sweating.
Say what's poppin'?
What's talking?
We out here about to hit Puerto Rico.
Out here?
Yeah, you already know. So we'll check in with y'all. It's just a checkup. To start
And you said you knew we were Puerto Rico.
whatever that was, but we about to grab some food. Yeah, so we made it on our flight. It's lit. Pretty nice plane. Look around. Gang, say what
Puerto
up?
Rico!
Puerto Rico. Say gang.
Ding ding.
Ah. Sorry. Mommy, say what up though.
I am tired. I need to go to sleep.
Mommy, why are you so pretty?
Why are you so pretty?
Let's blow kisses at mommy.
Okay.
Alright, so until we land, we holla at y'all. Where we going?
Puerto Rico!
What's up? We made it to Puerto Rico. It's about to be a beautiful experience. We actually are heading to the cruise ship. So let me show you Liam before he goes crazy. Yeah, buddy. Say what's up.
What's up? What are you doing? I would spray my hair, but I need the stuff. But I need this shirt.
All right, let's go show mommy. Let's go. Can I hold it now?
No, I want to hold it. Really, I can walk when I'm with my daddy, with my mommy, with my mama, with my papa. My mommy is over there. Let's see.
Yeah, apologize about that. Liam took over, but let me get Shelly Shell's input on her vacation thus far.
Well, I'm down here. Hi. So far, so good. Flight was great. No.
And if you want something, you have to
So it's your boy here.
It's my belly instead of Buddha.
Liam is here too. Shelly Shell over there. We just here chilling right now. Because we're tired, exhausted. Just actually got on the ship and we're about to change, get ready for dinner. So just checking in, per usual. But turn up. Turn up. Tell them turn up.
Turn up.
Turn up. Deuces.
Deuces.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy. Just wrapping up day one from this vacay. So I'm just brushing the waves down. I'm about to put the dewy on, but everyone pretty much went to bed. So exhausted from traveling. So I'm about to join them, do the same thing. Don't mind the pimples right there. It's crazy. That's why I just had to wash my face, clean that out, because I guess dandruff is getting on my face, breaking me out. But anyway, just wanted to let y'all know that it was a great day one. Just had dinner. It was really dope, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm looking forward to see what day two brings and the rest of the vacay. So I'll keep y'all posted. Deuces, your boy is out.